So we had a request from our lead account manager, Matt Sinclair, to update this video from 9 years ago on how to view participant reports. So there's a lot of pressure here because you know how reboots are, right?
Yeah, they're usually failures, right?
Yep. So get ready for this.
No pressure.
So in RunSignup, we allow you to do a lot of customization with your participant report. You can find it by going to Reports, Participants, View Participants. Now you'll notice we're full screen here. The sidebar has disappeared. It's actually hiding up here, so you just click that again. I found this necessary to explain in the first video, so I'm explaining it again here. You can also find this report under Participants, View Participants. That's actually the quicker way to get to it. Now the report that shows up here is going to show you just basic information for your participants. You got the name, the event, the registration date, and you can read the rest of these. I don't know why I read them all in the original video, but I know you know how to read. So we also have this edit registration portion right here. This is going to let you edit their information. You could also click manage. This is where you can switch their event, start a participant transfer for them, do a bunch of other registration management options here, issue refunds, remove them from the race. And then on the screen, we're seeing this profile button. That's not going to show up for you. That's just because I'm a RunSignup admin, so I can easily go and look at people's profiles to try to figure out what any issues are. Now, if you want to customize what you're seeing here, you could just go into report options, customize view. Now in this first tab, we have the most commonly used options here, but you can pick from all columns. And we have all the options for you to pick. There's even hidden fields that you can enable here, but we have another video for that if you want to do that. So let's say I turn on coupon here and coupon discount. I can update the report and I could see that this person signed up with a coupon and this is the discount amount. Now, if you want to search within this report, you could hit search change event. Here you could pick which event you're looking at. You could look at this year's, previous years, specific events from each year. So if I just wanted to look at the 88 miler and try to find Ron, I could do that. And here we got Ron. Also within the search, you could do search all fields. And we'll actually go back to all the events, clear out Ron. And now we could change the registration status to just be looking for people who deferred. And there's other options in here. You can look at deleted people, cleared people, active participants. The default is active or pending lottery selection. But again, we're going to look at deferred here, update the report, and these are all the people who have deferred. Now, if we go back to the default report here, and let's say we customize it, uncheck everything, and we just want name and the giveaway. So we'll update the report. Now, if we want to just save this report so that we can easily have a report of people's names and the giveaway that they selected, then we could do report options, save report, and then give this a name. We'll call it giveaway report. Now, if you already have a report called giveaway report and you do this again, this is going to overwrite whatever that report is. So if you have more than one giveaway report, you'll want to give it a unique name so you're not overwriting things unless you want to. So we'll save that report. And now we'll come back in here just to clear it out and go to the default. So if I want, I can go to report options, view saved reports, click on the giveaway report, and now we're there. Now if you need to delete a saved report, you can just click on the X next to that report and then delete the report. Now, if you want to change what the default report is when you go to this page, you can go to report options, customize view, set up a custom report. Say we'll add bib number, and we want bib number to show whenever we come to this report. We can go down here and click make this the default report I see when I'm logged in and update the report. Now, anytime we leave this page, good choice, go to the race wizard. The only thing off the dashboard. Okay. And then we come back in again to view participants. Now we're going to see bib number is a default column. Also in the report options, you can go to summary info. And this is going to give you some information about this specific report. So if you were to change something like, instead of viewing all the events, you just want to view the 88 miler, If you update the report and then do the summary info again, it's going to be a little different because now it's just going off that one event. Back in report options, you can also do view imports. So this is going to give you the number of imports and the date that they were imported. And again, this is specific to that event. So if we were to go into here and do all the events for this year and view the imports, then that's going to change. And you can click into any of these and see who the import is. Now, if you want to delete this import, you can do delete import, and that's going to get rid of that registration. Or you can go back to view all and view everybody who's in the report. Now, if you go to export options, we have a few things here. So these are the main ones you're probably going to use. There's download report as CSV, and this is going to download this specific report as a CSV, or you could do download all, and that's going to give you everything, even stuff that is not included in this report. From here, you can also build bib labels. We have a help guide on that. And then also there's a bunch of other options that you might need, but for the most part, these are the two that you're going to use. So that is the reboot of how to view participant reports.
Worse.
You know, it happens.
I'm a harsh critic.
I think it was a little snarkier than the first one. But if you have any questions about creating reports, you can always email us at info@runsignup.com.